If you've ever noticed your feet feeling cold, your legs aching after sitting too long, or that pins and needles sensation in your hands, you're not alone. Poor circulation is one of the most common yet overlooked problems adults face after 60. The good news? You can naturally improve your blood flow with one simple daily habit. In today's video, I'll walk you through what causes poor circulation, the common foods quietly making it worse, and what to eat and do instead to restore healthy blood flow and energy naturally. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. As we age, our blood vessels naturally lose some of their flexibility. The heart has to work harder to push blood through, and that can lead to sluggish circulation. You might notice cold hands and feet, tingling or numbness, swollen ankles, leg cramps at night, or fatigue even after light activity. These are your body's gentle warning signs saying, "Hey, I'm not getting enough oxygen or nutrients to my tissues." Now, before you worry, this isn't just about aging. It's also about lifestyle and diet. Certain everyday foods can quietly thicken your blood, clog arteries, and slow your circulation over time, even if you think you're eating healthy. Let's look at a few common foods that silently damage aging bodies and make circulation worse. One is processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli ham may taste great, but they're loaded with sodium and preservatives like nitrates. These chemicals harden your arteries and raise your blood pressure, a double blow to healthy circulation. 2. Fried foods. Fried chicken, chips, or even crispy snacks use trans fats that damage blood vessel walls. Over time, this causes inflammation and narrowing of your arteries, leading to cold hands, slower healing, and tired legs. 3. Sugary drinks and desserts. Too much sugar thickens your blood and spikes insulin, which damages the lining of your arteries. Even healthy fruit juices can cause this effect if taken in excess. 4. White bread and refined carbs. These break down into sugar quickly and promote plaque buildup. Think of it as sludge in your bloodstream, slowing everything down. 5. Excess salt. Salt makes your body retain water, which increases blood pressure and puts extra strain on your vessels. Most of this salt doesn't even come from your shaker. It's hidden in canned soups, sauces, and packaged snacks. Now, don't feel guilty if these sound familiar. Many of us have eaten these foods for years without realizing their hidden effects. The key is not to be perfect, but to make small, consistent swaps that improve your blood flow over time. Here's the good news. There are powerful circulation-boosting foods that can help repair your blood vessels and keep your heart and muscles energized. In part 2, I'll show you the one simple daily habit that can transform your circulation naturally. But first, let's talk about what to put on your plate. Start adding these foods daily. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, rich in nitrates that help blood vessels relax and widen. Berries, packed with antioxidants that protect your arteries. Citrus fruits, high in vitamin C, which strengthens your capillaries. Garlic and onions are natural blood thinners that improve flow. Fatty fish, like salmon or sardines, loaded with omega-3s that reduce inflammation. Dark chocolate, a small square, helps your arteries expand. It increases oxygen delivery to tissues. These foods don't just taste good, they help feed your circulation and protect your heart for years to come.